In this video I will show you how to use check boxes to filter the calculation in Sumifs formula. To calculate the sales of each months in the total column, we will use check boxes and use it as a filter to select the desired months that we want to calculate in the total sales. First, insert a row before months headers. Now, select all the new cells that fall above the months. Then go to Insert and click on Check Boxes. Merge the total sales cell with the cell above. Now let's write the formula. Use Sumif as formula. Select the cells that fall below the months that we need to sum. Then for the criteria range, select all the check boxes and press F4 to keep the cell references fixed. And in the criteria section, write true between two quotes and press enter. Now drag down the cell. Let's test it. If we check any of the check boxes, that month will be calculated in the total sales. And when you uncheck any box, that month will not be calculated. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.